Highlighting this overarching challenge, 2021 Nobel Prize for Physics has been awarded for studies on nature's complex systems, which also includes climate change. The Nobel Prize has been awarded to Syukuro Manabe, Klaus Hassemann, and Giorgio Parisi. One of the winners said that climate change is a threat to humanity and governments must act now.
I think it is urgent, it's very urgent that we take a very strong decision and we move a very strong pace, because we are in a situation where we can have negative, positive feedback, and that may accelerate the increase of temperature. So it's clear that for the future generation we have to act now in a very fast way.
The prize-winning climate modeler's work helps to understand how carbon dioxide would shape the climate and its patterns. Using mathematical equations, the models explain the physical laws that help to govern the behavior of the atmosphere and ocean. They also explain the current theories on climate change. Climatologist Syukuro Manabe says understanding climate change is much easier than understanding what is happening in current politics in the world.
To try to understand the climate change, although it's not easy, but much easier than what is happening in the current politics. It's so mysterious.
In the past, many leaders have denied reports of climate change. Former US President Donald Trump almost derailed global efforts. There is an increase in debates and protests to save the environment. An exponential rise in natural disasters has forced world leaders to change their minds. Winds of change are blowing. After touring the damages caused by wildfires in California, US President Joe Biden warned that large-scale shifts in weather patterns due to increase in greenhouse gas emissions.
We know that decades of forest management decisions have created hazardous conditions across the western forest. But we can't ignore the reality that these wildfires are being supercharged by climate change. It isn't about red or blue states, it's about fires, just fires.
China President Xi Jinping pledged to cut down on carbon dioxide emissions. China is the largest generator of carbon dioxide gas in the world.
中国将大力支持发展中国家能源绿色、低碳发展，不再新建境外煤电项目。
Studies also reveal how climate is affecting oceans and aquatic creatures. A study conducted by the Global Coral Reef Monitoring Network reveals that 14% of the world's coral reefs have been destroyed due to climate change. The study also warns that more coral reefs will die if global warming continues to increase. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the average rate increase in temperature of land and ocean has gone up by more than 2 times since 1981. The increasing global temperatures remain a cause of concern. Increase in ocean water levels and melting ice caps will threaten the survival of our future generations.